Good morning, students. This video is for standard UKG, subject English 2, chapter 5. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, let's start. Look at these pictures. Is this a horse? Is this a horse? If it is yes, then you will say yes, it is. Okay. Is this a horse? Yes, it is. As you can see, this is a horse. Is this a bicycle? Is this a bicycle? If it's not, then you will say no, it is not. So, what do you think? Is this a bicycle? No, it is not. What is it? It is a scooter. Is this a bicycle? No, it is not. It is a scooter. Is this an egg? Is this an egg? What do you think? No, it is not. What is it? It is a ball. So is this an egg? No, it is not. It is a ball. Is this a horse? H-O-R-S-E, horse. Yes, it is. Is this a bicycle? B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. No, it is not. It is a scooter. S-C-O-O-T-E-R, scooter. Is this an egg? E-double-G, egg. No, it is not. It is a ball. B-A-double-L, ball. Now, turn the page. It's time to do. It's time to do. Answer these questions using yes it is or no it is not. We have to answer these questions by helping yes it is or no it is not. Okay. Is this a fish? Is this a fish? What do you think? If it is yes, then we will write here. Yes. Yes, it is. Okay. Is this an aeroplane? Is this an aeroplane? A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Is this an aeroplane? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Is this a bird? What do you think? Is this a bird? No, it is not. What is it? It is a kite. Is this a bird? No. So we will write here. No, it is not. Is this a chair? Is this a chair? No, it is not. What is it? It is a desk. It is a desk. So we will write here. No, it is not. Last one. Is this a pole? Is this a pole? What do you think? What is it? It is a tree. So, is this a pole? No, it is not. We will write here. No, it is not. So, is this a fish? F-I-S-H? Yes, it is. Is this an aeroplane? A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane? Yes, it is. Is this a bird? No, It is not. It is a kite. Is this a chair? No, it is not. It is a desk. Is this a pole? No, it is not. It is a tree. Now, next is time to read. It's time to read. Okay. Match the words with the things in the picture by drawing a line. So we have to match the things in the pictures by drawing line. Match the things in the picture by drawing lines. Okay. So in the classroom, window, here it is, window. Door, where is it? Door, here it is. Okay. Table, this one, table, here. Chair, this one, chair. Desk, desk. Blackboard, this one, blackboard. Chalk, here, chalk. Duster, this one is duster. Dustbin, this one, dustbin. And cupboard, this one, last one. All these things we saw in the classroom. Window, W-I-N-D-O-W, window, here it is. Door, D-O-O-R, door, this one. Table, T-A-B-L-E, table, this one, table. Chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair, this one, C-H-A-R, chair. Desk, D-E-S-K, desk, desk. Blackboard, B-L-A-C-K-B-O-A-R-D, board, blackboard. Chalk, C-H-A-L-K, chalk. Duster, D-U-S-T-E-R, duster, here it is. Dustbin, D-U-S-T-B-I-N, dustbin. Cupboard, C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D, cupboard, this one. Okay, so all of you read this chapter in your home. Thank you.